Hey guys, before we get into today's video, this wig is being sponsored by Yoowigs. This is their Kinky lace frontal wig. Now, most of the time, if I install my lace frontal wig using glue, I do the ball cap method. However, it can be very messy and very challenging at times to achieve the perfect look. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I install my wigs not doing the ball cap method. Alright, so the product I'm using today is from Bold Hold. Now, because I will be applying lace glue directly on my skin, I am going to be using the Bold Hold Skin Protector. This is very important to make sure you protect your skin. So I spray a little bit on a towel and I just put it pretty much right below the stocking cap or right on my forehead. I would also suggest that you do like a small skin test just to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction to applying this product on your skin before applying it all over. So when it comes to the actual wig install, I like to pull all the hair to the back just to make sure there's no strands that get in the glue. So I'm just using these big clips and placing them directly on the hairline. So once I have all my hair pulled back, I'm going to be using the Bold Hold lace glue to secure my wig. Now I like to just take a few dots of the glue and use the end of a comb and bring that glue down towards my face. And I actually just do this all around the perimeter of my head. And as you can see, I don't use a lot of this Bold Hold glue just because if you overuse a lot of this glue, it's going to become really sticky and really messy. So I just like to use a very light, thin layer. Now you can also layer this glue to 2 or 3 layers, but I would highly suggest if you do that, make sure the first layer is completely clear before adding another layer because otherwise your lace frontal is going to turn white. So once the glue becomes clear, it's pretty much ready for you to put the frontal on it. So I'm going to take the side of my frontal first because as you can see, the other side is still kind of white. And I'm going to pull the lace a little over the glue, just a little bit. And I'm going to use my fingernails and a comb to push the glue into the lace. You still don't want to use your fingers because you have oils on your fingers and it can make the lace turn white too. And the reason why I pulled my lace a little bit past the glue is because I don't want the glue to become like messy and gunky on the actual lace, like on my hairline. So I just pulled it down a little bit to avoid that. And the hold on this glue is crazy. So I would highly suggest before you actually glue the wig down, make sure you have the wig in its exact position and you have it where it needs to be, because once you put this glue on, even if you don't press it down, girl, it's sticking, okay? So this is pretty much what the wig and the hairline looks like after the install. As you can see, my hairline looks super clean just because I didn't use a whole lot of glue, so I didn't have to go in and clean up any glue. And I did go in and cut off some more lace just because I don't like to cut off too much lace before the actual install. So as we all know, kinky texture hair can be extremely thick. So before I do any type of styling to the hair, I'm going to section out the hair and apply heat by blow drying the hair in sections. So once I have that section blowed out and pretty much as straight and smooth as it's going to get with the blow dryer, I'm going to use my Remington curling iron, and I am going to add some wand curls to my hair. And I am anxious to see if this kinky texture is going to actually hold a curl, because you guys know usually when it comes to the kinky texture, I wear it in its original straight texture. So I'm just going to continue to section off my hair using smaller sections and just wand curling. Be right back. So now that I have my hair pretty much styled, I'm very surprised to see that I did not really have to use the bald stocking cap method with this wig install. So I am going to take my fingers and just pull the curls apart, making sure I don't run my fingers through the hair because I don't want the hair to get big. So yeah, the stocking cap method is not always necessary. The main reason why you do the stocking cap method is to get rid of the stocking cap band. I do have a full wig install video that I'll post a link below so you guys can see exactly how the bald cap method looks and how to install it. So I have pretty much styled my hair to my liking, and I'm just clipping those little long ends. And as you can see, this type of textured wig does definitely hold a curl. This being a yaki texture, I was very surprised just because it is super straight, but it's super duper full. I love this look for this type of hair. It reminds me of like a braid out or a twist out. Super duper pretty. So all purchasing information for this wig will be below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.